Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have David here, You Left Me First. That's the title of this new song. I really like this song. We have this combination of this great melody that goes in the same way through the entire song pretty much, but we also have the strumming to switch up to. So anyway, we're gonna look into this one, and we had a capo set on 2nd fret, best scenario, absolutely. Let's go with the chords. So we're gonna start with the D. Okay, so that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Next chord is the A, C chord. That means it's a A, but with the C sharp in the bass. And we're gonna add one note as well. You're gonna understand why soon, but let's go over the chord first. What I do here, I place a short little bar on the 2nd fret, and I push down the first 4 strings, if you count from bottom and up like this. Then I add this 4th fret on the A string, but I also add the 3rd fret on the B. Okay, that's the AC chord. Next chord is the E minor, and we're gonna add this note as well. So it goes open E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And the final chord is the G6. So what you do from the E minor chord, you just add the 3rd fret on the E string, get that note there, and everything else is the same down. So that gives us 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. That's the G6, and that is what's rolling here, guys. We have the 4 chords goes in the same way through the entire song. Now let's start with the melody, and what I said before, we had this special note that goes through the entire song. It's there always, and that's the 3rd fret B string. Okay, so that will live with us, not here in this melody, but later on, and when it comes to the chords and the strumming. So let's take a look at the melody first. We're gonna go chord by chord, starting with the D. So you hold the chord as it is, and you play this. Okay, so that will be open D, 2nd E, 3rd B, 2nd G, then you repeat that again, 2nd E, 3rd B, 2nd G, and end on the open D. So slowly. Then you take the next chord, the AC. Now you can skip that 3rd fret B note, B string note, okay? So you just have this, the bar, and this 4th fret on the A string added. You're gonna play. Okay, so you're gonna start with the 4th A, then 2nd B, 2nd G, and 2nd D. You repeat that again, 2nd B, 2nd G, 2nd D, and 4th A. So the pattern here is the same as the D, just different grip. So slowly. And we have next the E minor 7 chord. Now you hold that 2nd fret A string, and you play the same pattern, and it goes like this. Okay, so that is to play 2nd fret A, then open B, open G, open D, then open B again, open G, open D, and 2nd A. Okay, so for the first 3 chords. Now the last G6, this is where the pattern differs a little bit. Okay, so you go to this 3rd fret E string. That's the only thing you need to hold here for the melody. You're gonna play like this. Okay, so that is to play 3rd fret on E string in the bass together with open B, then open G, open D, then again open B, open G, open D, and then open B and open G. So slowly. There you have 1 round of the melody. I'm gonna take you through this. I'm gonna take down the tempo. It goes like this. it, you bring up the tempo just a little bit and you hit that standard tempo. That's the melody. You can stay with that, or you can switch over to the strumming. Now we're gonna learn that strumming pattern. So grab the first chord, the D, and what you're gonna play is this. Okay, so I play first down, up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. And then a short pause, and then comes up, clap, down. And then you immediately go to the next chord. You're going to play one of these per chord. So down, up, clap, down, up, clap, down. And a couple of rounds. And so on. Like I said, one of these per chord, and you're gonna switch from D to this A minor, sorry, not A minor, A C chord with this added note, 3rd fret B string, to the E minor 7 with added note there, and to the G6. One strum run per chord, and it sounds like this. Alright guys, so there you have it, the melody, the strumming with the chords, and that's how I handled You Left Me First. Alright, so please never leave me from Chord Guitar here. Once you subscribe, stay here and watch the tutorials, and yeah, bring up your guitar skills here with me. So thank you for watching guys. If you want to support me, then you know how. Subscribe here if you haven't yet, and like this tutorial. Till next time guys, play tuned.